and I'm currently working at 𝗏𝗵𝗃𝗃 Chase. Before smart interviews, I don't know to solve a single question in multiple approaches, and I have learned to decrease the main problem like time complexity, which helped
Mhm.
me in different coding competitions and everything.
Hello everyone, this is Prakhar from SmartInterviews and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we have Shiva with us who has successfully got placed in JPMC. So today we are going to be discussing with him that how he has prepared for his interview rounds and how Smart Interviews played a crucial role in his journey. So let's get started.
My name is Shiva Vinay. I'm from Warangal, and I'm currently working at 𝗏𝗵𝗃𝗃 Chase.
So what were your first thought when you heard about Smart Interviews?
Like they will teach me a lot. They will teach DSA and help me in doing coding. When I started coding, I liked it. I wanted to learn more, and my college provided an opportunity through smart interviews, so I joined it.
Mhm. Okay. So can you describe the learning process with Smart Interviews? Like how was it curriculum, the teaching methodologies that we implied during the sessions?
In smart interviews, they will start with a normal approach with a brute force approach, and step by step they will try to improve the time and space complexity, which I liked very much. Through that process, we can understand how can we solve a single problem in multiple ways. My instructor was 𝗍𝗵𝗱𝗆. He was very
Okay.
clear. Whenever I have doubts, he would clarify very quickly. We can easily understand the way he teaches.
Is there any specific aspect of the program that you like the most and you find it really valuable in your learning journey with Smart Interviews?
Yeah. What I like more is they have a separate set of questions through which we can start coding and progress to in-depth in DSA. There are many moments where in between classes you can get different ideas and try to implement it.
Journey with Smart Interviews, like have you felt like the growth that you were looking for? I mean, like when you started and when you finished the whole course. So what do you feel like? What kind of transformation that have you seen in yourself?
There is a lot of transformation because before smart interviews, I don't know to solve a single question in multiple approaches, and I have learned to decrease the main problem like time complexity, which helped
Mhm.
me in different coding competitions and everything. Before JPMC, I have applied for two companies. One is Unplatforms, a startup company, and one is Oracle. In
Mhm.
Unplatforms, I have done internship for 3 months, and
Mhm.
after that I have taken part in Oracle first round of coding competition, in which I
Mhm.
didn't select for the second round. My third company is JPMC. When I'm
Mhm.
doing JPMC, I think smart interviews first phase is completed. With
Mhm.
that basic knowledge, like the stuffs like strings, arrays, and different things, I solved the first round of coding competition in JPMC, and the second round for JPMC is like video interview, in which they will display 2 to 3 questions and you should answer them. After that video interview, we will have an one day hackathon. uh, for my batch it is online hackathon because of
Mhm.
COVID. After 24 hours hackathon, they will see different aspects of each of the participant, and
Mhm.
through that process I got selected in JPMC.
Since how long you've been working in JPMC?
I have done 2 months internship, which is in my
Mhm.
third year second semester, and a 6 months
Mhm.
internship from fourth year second semester. Currently, I'm full time. Uh, it's been full time from July 1st.
Understood. So, what do you think? Like, have you got any opportunities to apply those concepts and techniques that you have learned in Smart Interviews, like the projects you are working on?
Uh, Not all, but I guess sorting is the one thing which I applied. Except sorting, I
Mhm.
don't think much I have applied because I just recently joined.
But then, I just wanted to know, like, how important do you think DSA is, like, for cracking these interviews as well as like while you are working?
Without DSA, like we can't crack the first step, right? I mean, coding
Mhm.
competition is the first round in any type of company placements. Basically,
Mhm.
I mean, you can't get. I mean, you are not provided something, and you are not asked to provide the output. I mean, you should apply
Mhm.
it in real world cases, in which you should
Mhm.
think of different approaches.
So, like when you initially told your parents about your job that you've got, like in JPMC, what was their reaction, and
They were
how did it feel felt to you? It's like getting a job.
they were very happy, and they did not expect me to get a job in my third year itself. Like I did an internship with JPMC in third year, second semester, right? Basically, like everyone will get a job after fourth year or during the fourth year process, but I got it earlier, so they were very much happy about it.
That's the thing that we look for, and like I mean, and I'm happy. We are happy as a company that we are able to help you out with, but like we are just happy that we have a small part of your journey. So thanks a lot for doing this. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you liked it. To enjoy more content like this, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please let us know in the comments what other content would you like us to create. Thank you once again, and we'll see you in the next smart success video.